Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, bang, www.themanwhosetselfhimselfonfire.com. I also have a PayPal donation link in the description of the video. All right, as promised, today I want to show you a video on how you can do some video editing and you can basically use that to make money. How can I use that to make money, tech, you ask? Easily. It's called video marketing. Right now, everyone is on social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. People are using videos to advertise, and you can take advantage of that because not everyone have the skills to make video or do video edits. So I'm going to show you how you can have little to no skills and you can make these videos and you can sell them to your local businesses, restaurants, for example, daiquiri shops, churches, guys, nonprofits. I mean, the sky is the limit. You can also use this with affiliate links. So you can go ahead and find you an affiliate link. If you don't know anything about that, just research finding an affiliate and get an affiliate link and make a video and promote their product and get paid a certain portion of that. Of course, YouTube, the main avenue. Enough talking, let's jump right into it. But first, this commercial. Hey, have you ever wanted to start a business? Ever ask yourself exactly what skills do I have so I can generate extra income? Hey guys, congratulations, you are in luck. I have put together a 45-minute plus video showing you how you can become your own cable company. That's right, how to resell. You don't have all of the overhead and all of the upfront money. The only thing you have to do is become a reseller of IPTV. This video lays out the basic principles to get started right away and how you can become a successful reseller. Don't be like the others, just trying things that don't work time and time again, putting money in a bag with a hole in it. This video is really going to show you the important steps of how to get a landing page that convert. Yes, how to get a landing page that convert, and also how to put a payment method on that landing page where you can get paid even as you sleep. Go ahead guys, look into this video. A $75 donation will get you started on becoming a reseller today. Don't sleep on your dreams. Don't be the person that say I shoulda, I woulda, I coulda. This video can help you get started today. It's your boy at Taking a Bathroom. Peace. All right, so the first thing I want to show you is Premiere Pro. Now, I'm not going to walk you through Premiere Pro. This started for the more advanced individuals. If you want to use Premiere Pro to do video editing, now this is the software that I use to do all of my edits for my videos, guys. And you can use a software like this or this software in combination with the other software that I'm going to show you. But this is very expensive. I pay for this monthly, but if you had to buy the software outright, it can get expensive. So let me just open up an older video. And so this is sort of how a timeline would look. Now, the reason why they say all offline and the reason why you can't basically see anything is because I back up my videos. So I just want to show you right quick how a timeline will look. Now, all of these clips right here are videos and all of them are inserts of music and voice and everything like that. And so basically you will use these tools up here to click through, add, snippet, cut, all of this, you know. You basically use these tools. So I want to cut this. I go ahead and take this part right here and delete it. And I'm not going to go too much into this because, like I said, I have a video. Like I told you guys yesterday, I have a video on this already. I can go to undo. So this is more, you know, when you get into editing, more semi-professional or professional, if you want to call it, you can do so much more with this. All right, let's go ahead and get out of there. All right, so here's another one that I use, and this one is called Toonly. And this basically, whenever you see me do like little cartoons, let me see if I can show you like one of them right here. As you can see, it's sort of like the same process. All of them have like a timeline. And this is one that I made. And so this software is very, very easy to use. For example, I can go and I can say, let me choose a background. I can go right here, choose me a background, drag it on there, get that background, gonna appear. I can change up the scenes, you know, so it's very intuitive, easy to use. The scenes is gonna show up right here. All right. I can go right here to characters. I can put this character right here. Once I get that character, again, it's on the timeline. I can scratch this scene out. I can scratch this character out. This is going to be the duration that this character would be there. Now, the great thing about this, I click on this character and I go to settings. I can have her sync up with my lips. So if I'm talking, if I do come back and do a voiceover, she's going to sync up whatever I'm talking. Or if I insert audio, it's going to sync up. Or I can give her some actions to do. So let's just say I want her to run. Right. So I press play. They're going to have her running. Now, you just have to use your creative mind, and you can add different characters. You can add different objects to different scenes, right? And then you have the ability to give them actions, to fade them in, fade them out. And let's say I do a video and I want to do one for a travel agent, and I say something, tired of your own life, want to run away, run over to our blase, 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 you know. And look, simple as that. Add some music to that. Come up here to audio. You can add music. They have music already in there. So you can go right there. Let's say I want to add this right here. All right. I'm right here. Let's play. Hey guys, want to give away? Hey guys, want to get away? Whatever you want to say. So that's basically simple right there. So tuning is good. Different scenes, different ideas. Like I said, guys, easy peasy lemon squeezy, you know. So that's pretty simple. Let's go to our other software. So the next software we're going to talk about is Film More. Now I paid for this, but they do have free versions. And this been years ago when I got this. I believe when I paid for the paid version, I paid like $24 or something like that. The Toonly, I think that's like $69 or $24. It's a good investment, guys. Let's go ahead and jump into here. Now, this is sort of like Premiere Pro, but it's on a easier level. Like it does a lot of the work for you. Remind me later. So let's say I wanted to import a file. Come right here to my desktop. Take a video, import that. I just drag it onto my timeline. Okay. Match media. It comes up here. Now, if I want to cut something, I just go ahead and I just hit the little cut button. I can extend it out, make it small on the timeline. So it just makes it a lot easier. And of course, you want to undo what you just did. You go undo. You want to do it again or whatever. You can speed up, slow fast. So it's not a whole bunch of tools. They got preset transitions for you. So yeah, this to me is easier. You just take a video, put it right there. If you want to cut something, you just cut it. Go, cut it. Come right there. I right click on it. I delete that. And it should, or I delete rip, and it should delete. So this right here is the same thing as Premiere Pro. It's just on a more user-friendly basis, and it does a lot of the work for you, right? Now, having said that, because it does a lot of the work for you, that means that when your skills increase, you're not going to have the flexibility that you would have in a professional software as Premiere Pro. Let's go to our other software. All right, so this one is called the Video Robot. I just want to preference what I'm about to say. This have different levels, and let me see if I can go right here to my account. And I'm at the agency level, which means that the higher the level, the more you have access to. Okay. So let me just go ahead and show you some of the things that you can do with this. You can see exactly what you purchased, what level you at, and see I have access to the Video Robot Agency. Now, this might not mean anything to you now, but when you start making videos and you want pictures and stuff to put in there, videos to put in there, you can have access to these royalty-free, guys, royalty-free videos and images. And trust me, as a creator, those things are hard to find, especially good images and good quality video. You can get a professional spokesperson. So when you seen that video the other day, the guy that was in the gym. So that's the professional spokesperson. So let me go ahead and open up this up right quick. So what it does is it give you people in different niches. So let's say if I'm in the bakery niche, I open it up. So right there, you see you get the green screen background. Now I would take this video right here and I would drop it in Premiere Pro and I would key out the green screen. Then I'll put like a video behind it. And again, you seen it in the video that I did yesterday with the guy in the gym. I just put the website of my gym and the video of me lifting weights behind it. So as they talk, which is generic, which can be used for any bakery shop or any gym, you can go ahead and you can put whatever images and videos behind her while she's talking, and you can tell this video over and over again. But here's something else, guys. Look, they give you the license. So basically the videos that you have are yours, and you can do like service agreements. So whenever you go sell it to a mom and pop store or a bakery or whatever, you can go ahead and you can drop, get them this little contract, this little service agreement, So the way that you would use this, you would go to create video. All right. And so they have different things. So you can go to 3D avatar template, click on there, highlight it. Then you go to the next step and you can go male or female, or you can search for a niche. So let's say you're a bakery. So your preview. So I already made commercial. The only thing you have to do is go step by step, guys. Let me pick this template. Go step by step. Yes. Check mark. X. And go in and change like the address, the phone numbers, or if you want to add something in the background. This is why I say you don't need any special skills. You can even change the avatar. We're going to keep it with that avatar right there. Let's make a quick bakery commercial right quick. They got the voiceover already. If you didn't want that voiceover, you can actually go to text to speech, or you can go ahead and you can write something in here yourself, right? Like literally you can write it in there and they're going to read it, or you could record audio, or you can upload audio. But let's go with ready made, so that'll be the quickest and easiest way for you to do it. You can also find some music to put to it. Let me just add some music right quick to this. Now you can add a logo that the business may have right here, right? The logo, go. The logo up there. Play. Now, I can change the background from here, the music from here. I can see right there, looking for quality bakery. I can come right here. I can edit that. I can change that. And so on and so on and so on. Go ahead. I create movie. Now, I can create a GIF. Because I have the agency, I can do 1080p or 720p. Let's just do 720p for test, all right? And then it's going to go ahead and do its thing. All right, so when it's done, it's going to say complete, press play, and et cetera, and et cetera, et cetera. So that's right there easy, guys. There's no skills required really with that. That's, cut and paste. And another thing you can do with this, so you have kinetic animation templates. Go ahead and click that, go to next. And then they just show you some animations, and the same process. You could go and you can change the voice, the script. You can change the text, and this is basically just animated text appearing with a stationary background. Do whiteboards. Now I like this right here. I haven't done one yet. Come right here. You can just do a whiteboard, and I can choose between different voices. All right, so again, we can add music, and we go on to the next step. Import the speech, play the audio. Right, next, music good. Next step, let's add our whiteboard like that, okay. But again, I could go right here and I could edit these texts. And I just hit apply, and boom. And it just go on and on and on and on like that. And of course, you have the music, you have your voice or whatever. Man, it's so many things you can do with this software right here also. And last but not least, guys, now this is not editing, but you can definitely use it to make videos. OBS, this is what I record my studio scene at right here in OBS. And so basically you can see I'm recording right here. I can stream from OBS, and when I'm finished recording, I can go up here, look at my files, and I can show my recordings. So usually what I do, I record right here with my studio background. Let me go ahead and put the studio background up in there. And there you have it, guys. We're back into the studio. So I know there's a lot, and I didn't have the time to explain everything. But if you don't take anything from what I showed you today, guys, just know that the video edits can be affected. That commercial that you're seeing was video marketing. I'm marketing my product using video, and I use the software in combination. I do it a lot of time in combination with each other. Usually I take all of that, I mesh it together, and then me personally, I go into Premiere Pro, where I have the liberty of using my creative thinking to put together a good video. So guys, I hope that helped. So I'm gonna show you another video that I did for a client that I used for his IPTV service. Matter of fact, if you want his IPTV service, it's gonna be in the description of this video. A very affordable cable, guys. Gonna blow your socks off. Hey, it's your boy taking the bathroom. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned to this video that I did for a customer. You can do it too. I sold it to a customer. You can sell it to the customer too. Get that money, guys. Get that money.
What is IPTV? IPTV, or Internet Protocol Television, is a system through which television is delivered via Internet Protocol instead of cable optics or satellite. Applause IPTV. Tired of monthly $100 cable bills? Beat the system. For the monthly rental rate of the modem alone, Applause IT features your favorite shows and channels from around the world. Share and save. For a fraction of the cost, 2 connections in any location, on your TV, mobile phone, tablet or laptop. The multi-screen app option extends your viewing choices. Watch up to 4 premium HD sports channels, 4 news feeds or 4 different countries on the same screen. Subscribe now. You deserve it.
Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.